Hello guys, welcome to Abby and Filter TV and let's have dinner together. For our dinner, we will be eating one of my favorite Pinoy style pizza which is the FCJ. So last time, ang nireview natin or yung kinain natin is their creamy spinach. So today or tonight, ang kakainin natin yung kanilang pepperoni pizza. So let's try. Oy, wow. So toasty again, yan. Toasty na naman yung crust nila which is something that I like sa Pinoy pizza. Wow! Ang sarap ah. Pinoy na Pinoy lasa niya. As you can see, na pag tinignan mo yung pizza nila, yung pepperoni pizza, napaka-generous ng serving ng pepperoni. No? And the cheese, generous din, ang dami. Anak, pakita nga natin. Kasi kaya kasi yung aking videographer right now. Yan, di ba? Sobrang generous nila dun sa ingredients. And so how will I explain? Yung crust niya, it's crunchy on the outside and toasty na nakakadagdag doon sa aroma niya and it's chewy inside. It's good. And then yung tomato, yung, I don't know, it's the pizza sauce. So, yung kulay red, balance yung lasa niya. So, yung tangy taste niya, nagko-complement doon sa cheese and doon sa pepperoni. Ito yung napaka-generous yung cheese niya, no? Wow! Tapos yung pepperoni nila, the typical pepperoni na may hint ng konting spice pero more on the smoky side. So, yung lasa niya, parang hindi mo nga akalain na itong pizza na to is ano lang siya, less than 300 if I'm not mistaken. So, ang napaka-premium nung lasa, especially ng pepperoni nila. So guys, if you want to try the FCJ Pizza, meron silang branch dito sa Villares Commercial Building, no? We call it yung dito sa La Residencia Commercial. May FCJ dyan. Try nyo. And thank you nga pala kay Miss Jenny Candelaria, the owner of the FCJ here in La Residencia or Villares Commercial. No, thank you so much. Actually, sabi niya ito yung personal favorite niya. And just to share with you guys, yung mga pinsan ko sa Manila, whenever na pumupunta sila dito sa Bulacan, talaga nag-order kami ng FCJ Pizza. Why? Something na lagi naming natatandaan pag sa FCJ is napaka-generous nila sa cheese talaga. So, nakakadagdag siya dun sa pagka-creamy nung pizza natin. Tingnan niyo naman. Diba? Sabi nga nung iba, winner. Yeah, sarap. Wow. At nakakatuwa kasi, yung